Everyone, welcome to your Fashion Gram channel. Today in this video I will show you types of earrings with their names. I have included feather earrings, pearl earrings, hoop earrings, jhumkas, clip-on earrings, bajoran earrings and many more. Here I start with feather earrings. Feather earrings are designed with feathers कुछ इस तरह के होते हैं. Pearl earrings. Pearl earrings are designed with pearls. Next, hoop earrings. Hoop earrings कुछ इस तरह की होते हैं. Jhumkas. Jhumkas are very good with Indian dresses. Next, clip-on earrings. These are party-wear earrings. कुछ इस तरह के होते हैं. Then Bajoran earrings. Bajoran earrings very good with sarees. Jacket earrings. Tassel earrings. Tassel earrings कुछ इस तरह की होते हैं. Dangle earrings. Chandbali earrings. Lever back earrings. Lever back earrings कुछ इस तरह के होते हैं. Then stud earrings. Stud earrings are very good with tops. So here I end my video. If you liked it, then please subscribe to our channel.